Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about Reloptix Quest 2 optics for people who need glasses. Okay, it comes with a cleaning cloth, I guess, for the lens. Comes with a sticker. I think this might be what you put on. I think these are the lenses. Oh. Okay, let's put them on now. Okay. I think. Okay, let's put them on. Okay. Then you put on your lenses. It's just magnet. It just snaps on. Okay. Okay. Now for the next lens. And then now you can just put your foam on and you're done. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.